Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, August 23, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. It's a busy day ahead.
I know, same here. Got a big meeting later.
Oh, meetings, always fun. Hey, did you hear about that big trade news?
Which one? I've been out of the loop.
The US made a new deal with some Asian countries. It's all about trade and stuff.
Oh, really? That sounds important for business?
Yeah, I think it means more products for us to sell. Maybe more clients too.
True. It could open new markets. I wonder how it affects our projects.
Probably more work for you, huh? More plans to manage.
Haha, always. But it's good for the economy, I think.
Sure, as long as my sales go up, I'm happy. More coffee for that.
I hope it helps small businesses too. They need support.
Yeah, true. If they grow, we all grow, right?
Exactly. It's all connected in the end.
For sure. I just hope it means more deals for me to close.
Haha. Always thinking about sales? That's your job.
You know it. Gotta keep the numbers up.
Well, I'll keep an eye on how this trade deal plays out. It might change our timelines.
Good idea. Let me know if it's big news for us.
Will do. We need to stay ahead.
Totally. Hey, speaking of new things, did you see that tech news?
What tech news? I'm curious.
There's this new app for managing work tasks. It's getting popular fast.
Oh, an app? Tell me more about it.
I don't know much, just that it helps with tasks. Sounds useful.
It does. I'm always looking for ways to organize better.
Me too. My computer is full of random files.
Haha, I get that. Maybe this app can help with deadlines.
I hope so. I'm always late with reports.
Same sometimes. I think I'll download it today.
Cool, let me know if it works. I might try it too.
Sure, I'll test it with my team. We need better planning.
Planning is everything. I just forget stuff all the time.
Haha, don't worry. Tech can save us.
Fingers crossed. I need all the help I can get.
Me too. Let's see if it makes work easier.
Yeah, less stress would be nice. I'm tired of messy schedules.
I agree. A good app can change the game.
Totally. Hey, on a different note, did you hear about that huge music festival?
A music festival? No, tell me about it.
Yeah, it's a big one with famous singers. Everyone's talking about it.
Oh, that sounds fun. Where is it happening?
I'm not sure, but it's all over the news. Tickets sold out in hours.
Wow, that's crazy. I miss going to concerts.
Me too, but I'm too busy for that now. Work never stops.
Haha, yeah, work first. Who's singing there?
I don't know all the names. Just heard it's a huge party.
Fair enough. It's nice to see people enjoying music again.
Totally. We need some fun after all this work. Life can't be just meetings.
So true. Music brings people together.
Yeah, I remember my first concert. It was so loud.
Haha, same here. Good memories.
For sure. Maybe one day we can go to a festival?
That would be nice. A break from the office?
A big break. Imagine no emails for a day.
Oh, that's a dream. I'd love that.
Me too. But for now, it's back to reality.
Yeah, reality is waiting. I've got tons of emails.
Same here. Sales don't wait for anyone.
Nope. And projects need updates. Always something to do.
Always? Hey, how's your team doing with all the work?
They're okay, just busy. We're pushing hard.
I bet. My clients keep calling nonstop.
Sounds like a typical day. Keep up the energy.
I try, but coffee helps more. Need another cup?
Go for it. I'm good for now.
All right, I'll grab one quick. Don't run off.
I won't. I've got a minute or two.
Cool. So, back to that trade deal, do you think prices will change?
Maybe if more products come in, it could be cheaper.
Cheaper is good for sales. Clients love deals.
True, but quality matters too. We'll see.
Yeah, gotta keep the clients happy. That's my goal.
And mine is to keep projects on track. Teamwork.
We're a good pair then. Coffee and teamwork.
For sure, we balance each other out.
Totally. Hey, about that app, does it cost money?
I think there's a free version. I'll check.
Free is my favorite word. Let me know.
Will do. Free tools are the best.
Always. Saves me some cash for more coffee.
Haha, you and your coffee, it's your fuel.
You know it. Can't start the day without it.
I get that. It's my morning boost too.
Best part of the day. Hey, about that festival, think it's on TV.
Maybe some channels show live stuff? Worth a look.
Cool. I'll check tonight. Need some fun after work?
Same here. A little music can relax us.
For sure. Work hard, relax hard, right?
Exactly, balance is key.
Yeah, I'm all about balance. Well, sometimes.
We try. That's what counts.
True. Hey, what time is your meeting?
Soon, in about 30 minutes. Gotta prepare.
All right, I won't keep you. Go crush it.
Thanks, David. I'll do my best.
You always do. Catch you later.
For sure. See you around.
Hey, don't work too hard. Take it easy.
I'll try you too.
See ya. Good luck with your stuff.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too. Let's chat again soon.
Definitely. Take care.
Hey, before you go, any big plans after work?
Not really, just relaxing at home. You?
Same, maybe watch some TV. Need a break.
Sounds good. Rest is important.
Yeah, can't be tired tomorrow. More coffee, more work.
Haha, true. All right, I'm heading back.
Cool, see you later. Don't stress too much.
I won't. Thanks, David.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. See you at the coffee machine again.
Always here. Take care.
Bye. Keep up the good work.
Thanks. You too, Alex.
See you soon. Don't forget to smile.
I'll try. Bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.